Hi, welcome to the video. My name is Janelle, and today I want to talk a bit about yarn tension and how to hold your yarn while you're crocheting. So this is a topic that I think isn't often covered in beginner crochet tutorials. So if you've learned the basic crochet techniques but you still aren't sure how to hold your yarn, or if you're finding that your stitches are a little too loose, then this will be the tutorial for you. There are several different ways that you can hold your yarn. Today, I'm just going to show you how I do it, but if this isn't comfortable for you, you can absolutely try wrapping the yarn in different ways. Or there are also rings that you can buy that have a loop that you then just run your yarn through, and that will keep your tension even. So if you're trying to crochet without holding your yarn at all, it's really difficult to keep your tension even, and your stitches will end up being really loose and uneven. Now you could hold your yarn just by grasping it with a couple of fingers and holding it like this. And that will improve your tension, but that can quickly become uncomfortable and cause cramping. So the best way to hold your yarn is to wrap it around one of your fingers, and I use my pinky finger, but if that's uncomfortable for you, then you can try to find another way to hold it that feels more natural. So all I do is just grab the yarn with my pinky and wrap it around. And from there, I bring it under my fingers and then through between my index and middle finger, and then drape it over my index. So wrapping it around my pinky keeps the yarn tight, and then draping it over my index finger keeps the yarn held away from my project so it's not getting in the way. So that way I can stitch and my yarn is right there, and I can just grab and pull it through and it stays nice and tight. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you and that you see an improvement in your stitch tension. I will leave a couple of other videos right here, and please take a look at the channel for more crochet tutorials. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!